Dear students, this is my last lecture regarding magnetism, and in this last lecture we are going to study magnetization of ferromagnetic material, that is iron, with the help of Rowland ring. And Rowland ring is nothing but it is called as toroid with iron core. In standard 12th, in chapter magnetic effect of electric current, we have already studied the magnetic induction along the axis of the solenoid. Also, we have studied the magnetic induction along the axis of a toroid. That means you are familiar with solenoid as well as toroid. So, in today's lecture, magnetization of ferromagnetic material for example iron, and with the help of a ring which is developed by the scientist Rowland ring, also called as toroid with iron core. As we know that solenoid is nothing but a long cylindrical former or a long cylindrical tube made up of non-conducting material on which large number of turns of conducting wire is wound. And if this long solenoid is bent into the form of a ring, that is called as toroid. And this toroid behaves like the special Indian dish called as mendu vada, or the shape of this toroid is like a donut. In case of a toroid, it is a hollow cylinder made from non-conducting material, and on this material a large number of turns of the coil is wound, and through this coil current is sent. And the magnetic induction at the center of coil is calculated. As inside the toroid the medium present is vacuum, that means this toroid is absence of iron core. So in this case the magnetic induction along the axis of a toroid with vacuum or in the absence of iron core is given by B0 is equal to mu0 into small n into r, where in case of toroid the small n is equal to number of turns divided by circumference of the coil, that is n divided by 2 pi r. So n is number of turns per unit length, that means capital N divided by 2 pi r in case of a toroid, and similarly in case of a solenoid this number of turns becomes capital N divided by N, that is number of turns per unit length. So magnetic induction along the axis of this toroid in the absence of iron core is given by formula B0 is equal to mu 0 into N into I. And in this formula, this N into I is called as intensity of magnetization. So B0 is equal to mu 0 into H, as we have already studied magnetic intensity. Magnetic intensity is equal to B by H, or it is equal to Ni, because the dimensions and SI unit for H and N into I are the same, that is ampere per meter. So this is equation number 1, which gives magnetic induction along the axis of a toroid without iron core, that is in presence of only vacuum. Now, if a iron core is inserted inside this toroid, then this toroid becomes a Rowland ring. That means it is a toroid with iron core. As the iron core is inserted in the toroid, the total magnetic induction along the axis of the toroid with iron core goes on increasing. Now, when iron core is introduced, let us suppose that Bm is the magnetic induction contributed by a iron core, and this magnetic induction contributed by the iron core Bm is directly proportional to Mz, that means magnetization or intensity of magnetization, and therefore we write magnetic induction contributed by the core Bm, which is equal to mu 0 into Mz. So this is our second equation. So first equation is for magnetic induction along the axis of the toroid without iron core, and second equation represents the magnetic induction contributed by the iron core. As the iron core is inserted inside the toroid, the total magnetic induction is given by, so total magnetic induction B is equal to B0 plus Bm. The value of B0 is mu 0 into H plus value of Bm is mu 0 into Mz, which is equal to mu 0, H is taken common, then we get mu 0 H common, inside the bracket 1 plus Mz divided by H. Suppose this is equation number 3. Then by the definition of magnetic susceptibility is equal to the ratio of magnetization divided by magnetic intensity. Therefore, our equation number 3 becomes B is equal to mu 0 H in bracket 1 plus magnetic susceptibility chi n. Let us suppose this is equation number 4. Now in equation number 4, the term in the bracket 1 plus chi m is called as relative permeability. So 1 plus chi m is equal to mu r. If this value is substituted in equation number 4, then the magnetic induction along the axis of a toroid with core, that means Rowland ring, B is equal to mu 0 into mu r into h. Say this is equation number 5. Again, we have studied the magnetic property, relative permeability mu r is the ratio of magnetic permeability to the permeability of free space or vacuum. And therefore, the term mu 0 into mu r is magnetic permeability, and therefore we get B is equal to mu into h. This is equation number 6, and this is the final expression. So magnetic induction along the axis of a toroid with iron, or in case of Rowland ring, is equal to mu into h. So this is all about magnetization of ferromagnetic material with the help of Rowland ring. So in this article we have studied B is equal to mu into h, or while deriving the expression, in between we have got one term, that is B, which is equal to mu 0 into bracket h plus mz or h plus mi. And so from this equation, again we define the property, magnetic property such as h or mz. So from this equation we write B divided by mu 0 is equal to h plus mz or h plus I, and therefore we get h is equal to B upon mu 0 minus mz. So this is another formula regarding the magnetic intensity. So magnetic intensity is equal to N into I, which is equal to B divided by mu, or which is equal to mu 0 upon mu 0. In the similar manner, H is equal to B divided by mu 0 minus M into Z. And in the same manner, we write another formula, which is I equal to B divided by mu 0 minus, so I is equal to B divided by mu 0 minus H. So this is another formula for I, or Mz, that is magnetization or intensity of magnetization. Now in this case we are going to study the percentage increase in the magnetic field. So to find the percentage increase in the magnetic field regarding the magnetization of ferromagnetic material with the help of Rowland ring. As we know that B0 which is equal to mu 0 into H. So this is the magnetic induction in the absence of the iron core, and total magnetic induction B is equal to mu 0 H into bracket, or mu 0 into mu r into H. That is B is equal to mu into H. Again we write this B is equal to mu 0 into H plus mu 0 into Mz, which is equal to mu 0 into bracket 1 plus chi m outside the bracket H. Or on solving this we get mu 0 H plus mu 0 chi m into H. So the magnetic induction without iron core is B0 is equal to mu 0 into H, and the magnetic induction when the iron core is introduced, which comes out to be B and is equal to mu 0 H plus mu 0 into chi m into H. And therefore here we write increase in magnetic field, which is equal to B minus B0. So B minus B0 is the increase in magnetic field. So from these two equations we have B is equal to this value, B0 is equal to this value. If suppose this is equation number 2 and this is equation number 1, and if we subtract 2 from 1, then this mu 0h and this mu 0h gets cancels. So B minus B0 is equal to equation number 2 minus equation number 1, and remaining term is mu 0 chi m into H. So B minus B0 is equal to mu 0 chi m into H. So this is the increase in magnetic field. Now the increase in percentage increase in magnetic field. So percentage increase in magnetic field is given by B minus B0 divided by B0 multiplied by 100. And therefore we write here B minus B0 is mu 0 chi m into H divided by value of B0 is B0 is equal to mu 0 into H. And therefore we get percentage increase in magnetic field, which is equal to this mu 0h cancels with this mu 0h, remaining is chi m. So increase in magnetic induction in case of a toroid with iron core is equal to chi m multiplied by 100. So this formula is very useful while solving numericals or while solving MCQs on this article. So percentage increase in the magnetic field is given by the formula percentage increase in magnetic field is equal to B minus B0 divided by B0 multiplied by 100, and which come out to be chi m into 100. So this is all about the article magnetization of ferromagnetic material with the help of iron core. That means rho, land